Welcome to IN200. It's so exciting that you've made it to your practicum course, and I'd like to congratulate you on your hard work to get to this part of the program. So this will be a busy course, and of course your number one focus is gaining practicum hours every week. You need to make sure that you're getting your hours every week so you don't get halfway through the course and have to panic and make up a lot of time. So you will see in week 1, you will submit a form listing 3 places that you would like to do your practicum site. If you can't come up with 3, that's okay. When you submit them to me, I'll let you know if those are okay. So because you'll be doing observation hours, some sites may let you do more hands-on practical learning, and some may want you to observe. Either way is okay. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me via my cell. You can call or text or email me, and I'm really looking forward to working with you in this course and then seeing you at graduation. Thanks so much and best of luck.